In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable URL link to an email in Gmail. This can be especially handy when you want to quickly share an email thread with someone without forwarding the entire message. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want someone else to view the conversation, creating a shareable link can make things much more efficient and straightforward. To start, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, navigate to the email you'd like to share. Remember, this feature only works on desktop browsers, not on the mobile app. Once you have located the email, click to open it. Next, you'll want to highlight the URL in the address bar of your browser. This URL is specific to the email you have open and will be needed to create the shareable link. Now, right-click on the highlighted URL to copy it. You have a couple of options here. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac, or simply select Copy from the menu. Once copied, you'll need to decide how you want to share this link. One easy way is to paste it into an email or any instant messaging app. Remember to use Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac to paste the URL link wherever you prefer. It's important to keep in mind that in order to access the email via the link, the recipient must have appropriate access. If the email or conversation includes sensitive information, be cautious and ensure that the recipient has authorized access through your organization's policies. If you are part of an organization using Google Workspace, your administrators may have set permissions that restrict sharing of emails outside your organization. In this case, the link you create might only work for recipients within your same organization. It's always a good idea to double-check these permissions before proceeding, especially if you plan to share the email outside your organization. If the email URL link isn't accessible by default due to privacy settings, you may need to consider sharing the content in a secured manner or using other collaborative tools provided by Google Workspace, like Google Drive or Google Docs. There you have it. You've just learned how to share a Gmail email via a URL. This can save you time and make collaborating with others much more effective. Practice using this technique, and soon you'll be navigating Gmail with increased efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks that can make your digital experience smoother and more productive. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.